Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set lock screen wallpaper in Samsung phone. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options. Scroll up and you have to click on the wallpaper option. After that click on the home screen and here you will see many screens. Choose a screen on which you want to set or change wallpaper. I want to change wallpaper on the lock screen, set wallpaper on the lock screen. So click on the lock screen and after that you will choose the wallpaper which you want to set on the lock screen. I want that one. Click on that. After that set as wallpaper and here you will see the result. I will show you. Here you will see our lock screen wallpaper is set in this way. So I hope this video helps you to set lock screen wallpaper in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.